Want to build wealth that lasts for generations? These 20 steps will set you up for financial freedom forever. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is now. More income equals more wealth building power. Find ways to earn more. Rich people stay rich by living like they're broke. Make your money work for you. The earlier you start, the bigger the rewards. Relying on one income stream is risky. Diversify your cash flow. Long-term investing beats short-term savings. Buy assets, not liabilities. Rental properties generate passive income. Businesses create wealth that can be passed down for generations. Set it and forget it. Let your money grow on autopilot. Teach your kids about money so they don't have to start from scratch. Debt can build wealth or destroy it. Use it wisely. If it doesn't make you money, it's not an asset. A simple life insurance policy can create instant generational wealth. Diversify. The future of wealth is changing fast. If you don't plan your legacy, someone else will. Your kids should know about wealth building before they even start working. Your network equals your net worth. A trust protects your wealth for future generations. Smart tax planning equals more money staying in your pocket. Generational wealth isn't built overnight. Play the long game. These 20 steps can change your future. Start now. Like, subscribe and comment. Which step are you starting with?